Good afternoon, friends. Let's discuss today's current affairs topic. Sun releases two powerful solar flare causes blackouts. In the past week, the sun has emitted two significant solar flares from a newly identified sunspot, AR3663, causing impacts such as radio blackouts in several parts of the world. These flares occurred within 6 hours of each other, signaling an increase in solar activity as part of the sun's 11-year magnetic cycle, during which it experiences a polar reversal. Solar flares are powerful bursts of energy emitted from sunspots, which are temporary phenomena on the sun's surface. These flares are caused by the sudden release of magnetic energy due to changes in the magnetic field lines near sunspots. The intensity of solar flares is ranked by scientists from the weakest B class to the strongest X class. Impact of recent flares. The first of the recent flares on X-class flare occurred on May 2 and had significant consequences, including widespread radio blackouts across Australia, Japan, and China. This activity highlights the direct effect such as solar phenomena can have on Earth, particularly when the Earth faces the active sunspot. Accompanying some solar flares are coronal mass ejections, which involve the expulsion of plasma and magnetic fields into space. If directed towards Earth, coronal mass ejections can disrupt power grids, telecommunications, and satellite operations. They also pose radiation risk to astronauts in space. About coronal mass ejection. Coronal mass ejection is a significant release of plasma and accompanying magnetic field from the sun's corona, the outer atmosphere of the sun. These solar phenomena can eject billions of tons of coronal material into space at speed ranging from 250 to 3000 kilometers per second. Coronal mass ejections are monitored closely due to their potential impact on technology and communication system on Earth. Magnetic field cycle of the sun. The sun's magnetic field undergoes an approximately 11-year cycle known as the solar cycle. The cycle is characterized by the periodic change in the sun's magnetic activity, including the emergence and disappearance of sunspots. During the cycle, the magnetic field becomes increasingly twisted and tangled and eventually reverses polarity. This impacts solar radiation and ejection of solar material, influencing space weather and electromagnetic condition on Earth. That's all for today. Thank you.